Thank you, Anup and Sefalika. Good afternoon, everyone. Our respected chief guest, Professor Dr. Vivek Baral, and patron of our club, Green Club of Thoughts. Our special guest, Mr. Deepak Tolange, founding president of the club. Our founding advisor, Dr. Himraj Kafle. Our advisor, Mr. Haris Adhikari. Our distinguished guest, Dr. Rajendra Adhikari, Ujjal Pradhan, and all of you. Today it has been an honor. To witness this journal releasing program, not only by being a president of this club, but also by directly involving while preparing this journal. It has given a sense of pride that we have all felt today. And as already stated by our founding president and our advisor, Green Club of Thoughts has been doing new things, not only at the university but at the society level too. So as far as I know, from Green Hills to Equent, this releasing this journal is unprecedented in the 27 years history of university. This would not be possible without the hard work and collaboration from all the students, from all the schools of Kathmandu University, by doing their works, by being editor, designer, production manager, to make this program happen today. Green Club of Thoughts works, as already stated by our treasurer, it works in a wide range of domain, from national issue to social causes, from social aspects to technical, and following those steps, Green Club of Thoughts is moving forward to collaborate with the different students of different schools of Kathmandu University. When I joined Kathmandu University 3 years ago, since then we were planning to publish a kind of journal like Equent, and Kathmandu University was also lacking such type of things. And similarly, a year ago, back in 2019, we happened to visit the School of Management, Arts and Education along with Professor Baral and our team members for a cause. However, we didn't feel like a Kathmandu University being there. The vibes of being a student of Kathmandu University in those schools were missing. So at that time, we felt that we must have something like to bridge over the gaps between the students of different schools, and that's where the Green Club of Thoughts entered the game. And after the 5 months of reforming the club, it has executed half a dozen of events, and now this journal. This journal not only represents the words and pictures, but also the hard work, collaboration, restless days and sleepless nights of our team, as I've already told, without whom it would not be possible. That's why I like to thank our editorial team, designers, patron, advisor, well-wishers, and everyone who involved to initiate this program, without whom it would not be possible. So I also like to congratulate all of you, the team, editorial team, executive members, production managers, to have this magnitude of work. It is immense. And also, personally, and on behalf of the club, I'd like to express my immense gratitude to our chief guest, special guest, distinguished guest, and all of you, participants, for joining this auspicious event of initiating new culture at university. Thank you everyone for joining us. Let's connect, inspire, perform. Thank you.